Good afternoon. It's time for a bite to eat, and it's a really warm day again. It's nice to be here actually in the shade because it's pretty warm. I've just been down river about 500 metres or so. I've moved up here, different part of the river, never been here before. He's having a swim. There's one piece there and one piece there, and there's just a couple of really diddy specks, but that is as good as it gets today. It's not been a really good day, but you've got to take the rough with the smooth. But I really enjoyed being underwater. I enjoyed the swim, so that was a bonus, that there. Right, let's have a look around here. Let's just go and see what it looks like on the river. Look, nice bedrock. You always find little pieces in the cracks, things like that there. Get in the crack, scrape it out, you could always find little bits in there. Again, just there, little compacted areas. Get your spoon in there and you just might find another few pieces. And as you can see, the water is pretty low. You can see like an average tide line there, or a watermark there on that rock. And by the looks of this, someone's been here and worked out that crevice there. possibly a few more bigger crevices there that have been worked in this area. Big Chinook up there. And also just look at the size of these boulders. So when this river's really moving, it'll shift them. That's a fair old boilie hole. Alright lad. And I think, like, for sniping, I'm quite new to this, and I like going in the little plunge areas there. Prefer the waters to be a lot slower moving though. So I might have a look around there shortly. And the trend at the moment with the water here, this is probably a straight line there. I think it bends that way about 200 metres up. And then we've got a right hand bend just where all my tackle is. So you can see there's quite a few big boulders strewn around that area, and then medium size here, well, small size. And it just seems to get smaller and smaller. And there's an outcrop here of what looks like quartz. It's quite a fair size one. And the question for me is this the kind of vein what feeds the river with the good stuff? It's all across here, this vein. So just looking back, that's what I can see of the vein. Okay, well, I've swam all the way up there looking at all the likely places, and I've found nothing at all here. Zilch. When I was round the corner earlier on, yeah, I did find some pieces, and not many. And the midges are coming out, they're starting to bite. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that one, just a little one. Until the next time.